जागतिक पावण्यार आकांतवादाचो धोको वाडत आसा अशें मत परराष्ट्र वेव्हार मंत्री एस जयशंकर हांणी उक्तायलें। शेनवारा आयोजीत जाल्ले संयुक्त राष्ट्र सुरक्षा मंडळाच्या 2 दिसांच्या आतंकवाद विरोधी बसकेंत तो उलयतालो। फाटल्या 2 दशकांत संयुक्त राष्ट्र सुरक्षा मंडळान मनीस जातीक आशिल्ल्या सगळ्यांत गंभीर धोक्याक आडावपाचे सगळे यत्न करून लेगीत आतंकवादाचो धोको उणो जावंक ना। हो धोको खास करून आशिया आनी आफ्रिकेत चड प्रमाणात आशिल्ल्याच्या समितीच्या 1267 मंजुरी अहवालांतल्यान सामकार आयला अशी माहिती परराष्ट्र वेव्हार मंत्री जयशंकर हांणी दिली।
Terrorism remains one of the gravest threats to humanity. The UN Security Council in the past 2 decades has evolved an important architecture built primarily around the counter-terrorism sanctions regime to combat this menace. This has been very effective in putting those countries on notice that had turned terrorism into a state-funded enterprise. Despite this, the threat of terrorism is only growing and expanding, particularly in Asia and Africa, as successive reports of the 1267 Sanctions Committee monitoring reports have highlighted. The technological innovations and breakthroughs of the past 2 decades have been transformative in the way the world functions in every respect. These new emerging technologies, from virtual private networks and encrypted messaging services to blockchain and virtual currencies, offer a very promising future for a wide array of economic and social benefits for humankind. However, there is a flip side, especially where terrorism is concerned. These very technologies have also thrown up new challenges for governments and regulatory bodies due to their potential vulnerability for misuse by non-state actors